Welcome to Cooking Shit with Sean, St. Patrick's Day edition, and today we're cooking shit with a special guest star, Liam Mayclem, who's going to show us how to make his dead mom's cottage pie. Now, if you're from the Bay Area, maybe you fucking recognize Liam from CBS on the Bay or KCBS, where he's the foodie chap, or is the MC at the culinary stage at Bottle Rock, or raising millions of fucking dollars for charity and shit, or maybe you've never seen the motherfucker before, but you get to see his ass now, so you're welcome, because he's a good fucking lad, and can actually keep up with the drinky poos. I mean, he's Irish and shit, so yeah. But anywho, I dug up a few pics of motherfuckers he works with in his industry, and yes, I drink Guinness with a twisty straw, so fuck off. Alright, let's see what we got here. Got your Anthony Bourdain hanging with fucking David Bowie, kicking Gordon Ramsay's ass, Willie fucking Nelson. I bet that was fun, if you can remember it. Anyway, blah blah, you get the idea. A bunch of famous fuckers, but who gives a shit? Liam is not in my fucking kitchen for his celebrity pedigree. He's in my kitchen because of his fucking Irish jig skills. No, don't be a dumbass. He's here because he's an excellent motherfucker and a dear old friend. Plus, I needed a fucking full-blooded Irishman so I can do, Irish jokes and shit. Anyway, happy St. Patty's Day, motherfuckers. This episode is dedicated to Liam's dead mum and her pie. There she is. Alright, Liam, tell us what the fuck you're making today.
I'm making me dead mum's shepherd's pie. However, with a twist. Shepherd's pie is made with lamb. It's peasant food. It's lamb, it's vegetables, pile of potatoes on top, cheese on top of that, in the oven until golden brown. However, the British version is cottage pie. Same ingredients instead of lamb, beef. Makes sense? My mum cooked one thing. She was a terrible cook, awful cook. Her cooking did not kill her, but she is still dead.
Oh shit, I gotta expedite this for social media. I think I know just how to quiet a fucking Irishman who talks for a living. Whiskey.
Anyway, shepherd's pie reminds me of my mother. Shepherd's pie is a thing that brings me home. Reminds me of my mum and reminds me of home.
There you go, folks. That's how you turn a TV soundbite into a social media soundbite. Slant ya, fuckers. That means cheers, dumbass. Oh, and don't forget the Guinness is a chaser. That's how, St. Paddy do after he exercised his snake all over Ireland. Wait, how's that go? Alright, enough fucking around. We gotta cook shit. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. How's my fucking accent? And speaking of accents, Liam moved to the UK when he was 11, hence his British announcer voice. He started at the age of 16 announcing cricket scores and shit in the UK for the BBC. But speaking of scoring, I'm hoping to score Liam's dead mum's pie at last. Okay, what the fuck?
Shepherd's pie, me mum's shepherd's pie, me dead mum's shepherd's pie. At the core of shepherd's pie is, of course, lamb. However, we're doing it with beef. So if it's beef, it's not shepherd's pie, it's...
You tell me.
Cottage pie.
Liam's a TV guy. Sometimes you gotta speed his ass along.
Have you ever seen one this size before?
Yeah. Alright, we don't have fucking attention spans on social media, so I will spare you the 10-minute soliloquy about potatoes. Don't let an Irishman start talking about fucking potatoes. Alright, filling ingredients are olive oil, ground beef, 2 tablespoons unsalted Irish butter, 1 fucking onion, salt and pepper, 6 large dick-sized carrots, 1 bag of frozen peas, 1 bag frozen sweet corn, 1 pound of mushrooms, whatever fucking kind you want, that's what kind. Fresh thyme, but we forgot the thyme because we ran out of time, plus we got hammered. 2 garlic cloves, chopped parsley, 4 dashes of Worcestershire sauce, and shit for the topping is 3 pounds of potatoes. Apparently the Irish call them tatties, but I'm going to call them titties. Anyway, peel the titties, cube them into 2-inch squares, 6 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1/2 cup heavy cream, nothing like cream in the old pie, salt and pepper, and 1 bag of mild cheddar fucking cheese. Dude, let's just peel the fucking carrots. Alright, next peel your carrots, bukkake style, and should look kind of like mine, and wait, what? Why is yours so small? Oh, you know what? It's fine. I have a cure for what ails ya. There you go, lad. Irish hydration protocol. It won't make your carrot bigger, you just won't care so much. Plus, it's fucking cold in Ireland, so I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. What? Carrots don't like cold. Don't be gross, fuckers. Alright, next thing is a wardrobe change, apparently. That's fucking TV thing, but anyway, peel your titties, but before you do, a little fucking hydrating.
These are tatties. Potatoes, we call them tatties.
You gotta peel every single little bit. Don't leave any dirty little eyes, every bit of skin, all the way down, all the way round. Don't miss a bit. If you do, it will diminish the flavour of your shepherd's or cottage pie. Don't miss a bit, Sean.
Like I said, don't let a fucking Irishman start talking about his damn potatoes. I gotta say, though, besides getting schnockered, this was a damn fun meal to make with my Irish friend with his English accent. There's something about cooking with a friend that makes the food taste better. I don't know if it's got something to do with the strange quantum reality at the base of all things, entangled fucking particles and shit, but I'm telling you, if you love to fucking cook, you'll fucking cook with love. And even some plain old Irish titties will explode in your mouth.
I wish I could have tasted your mom's pie when she was alive.
No, you don't say titty, you say tatty. Can you say tatty? Can you say tatty?
Titty.
No, tatty.
Titty.
No, tatty.
Titty.
No, it's tatty.
Titty.
For fuck's sake, Sean.
I can say it. I'm not saying it. I'm saying titty. Fuck it. What's next?
Mushrooms. You're the fun guy, so why don't you smell those?
You think they're old?
I'm curious.
Smells like a mum's pie to me.
Moving on, let's get this shit done. Now, Liam cuts some of his tomatoes all fancy pants like that for serving, so I took a stab at it myself, but mine came out kind of like a broke dick. Yeah, I think his looks better. Wait, I thought taters were tatties. Titties? What? Anyway, we don't have time to show you motherfuckers how to cut vegetables, so figure it the fuck out. But we do have time to listen to the difference between Irish dialects, because the more hydrated Liam gets, the more he loses that fucking English accent.
Now, of course, when we go down to the south, down to Southern Ireland, my family's from Tipperary, my dad's from Waterford, my mother's from Tipperary, from Tip all the way down south. Everybody talks like that. They got sunshine and smiles in their accents, Oh, everything's great. How's Billy? He's dead. Oh, that's great. And how's your mother? She's dead. Oh, that's lovely. Northern Ireland. Hey, how's your mommy? Oh, she's dead, so she is. She's still dead. Sounds sad. It's a sad accent. Sing-songy, southern.
I get it.
Sad, north. Are you with me?
So, your mood depends on your latitude.
Absolutely. Your latitude up south, you're pretty down. South. Oh, life is great. Oh, my wife just died. Can you believe it? I couldn't believe it. She died in front of me. Just like that. And the good thing is we had a pint of Guinness just before.
You all copy that? In Ireland, your attitude is affected by your fucking latitude. And speaking of attitude, let's get a little further above sea level, shall we? Alright, motherfuckers, pay attention. Olive oil, onion, bang your sticks together, whatever, just get it done. Mushrooms, saute that shit, then add your beef and boil your titties. Fine, tatties, whatever, in salted water. Now this here is called an Irish facial with tatty water. Fuck it. Titty water, says I. Wait, that was a pirate, sorry. Anywho. Alright, add your Worcestershire sauce and...
Secret fucking ingredient.
Do you soy what I mean? And...
Oh, secret ingredient.
Anyway, yeah, sometimes pies have red stuff in it. It's a mum thing. Shh. I know. Alright, well, while that shit's simmering, here's a very old Irish tradition. When your potatoes are done, use that starchy-ass potato water to cook your fucking carrots.
It's a what thing?
It's an Irish thing.
Wait, it's a what thing?
Irish thing.
And then dump your defrosted peas and corn in, and apparently it's a fucking Irish tradition to just throw shit on the ground. I don't think that one's real, though.
Ah, fuck yeah, but are you ready?
Oh, it's tomatoes. Oh, it's a lovely tomatoes. It's lovely tomatoes. It's not St. Patrick's Day without tomatoes.
Uh-oh, we're fucking hammered. Let's wrap this shit up. It's getting weird.
It is an orgy of deliciousness. It's an orgy of cottage pie.
See what I mean? Alright, drain the titties and then add your sweet starchy potato carrot water to moisten your filling because fucking science, don't worry about it. And then next throw in, whatever you forgot earlier because you were too fucking hammered to remember.
Oh yes, boys and girls, it's a secret ingredient.
A little alcohol will open up your mum's pie for sure. Wait, that got weird. Okay, basically make fucking mashed potatoes with butter, cream, and then pound that pie in a way that would not make your mum all that proud, kind of like that. And then cream into that pie. Alright, stick your hot carrot into mum's pie. Not your mum, some other mum. We're not Scots. And here's a toast to all the mums and their pies, because whether Irish or not, we all came from a mum's pie, and some of us came in a mum's pie, and now we're dads and shit. Alright, this shit needs to end. Well, making this shit was fun, but the rest is a blur. Just put that shit in a Dutch oven, cover it with potatoes, titties, bake at 350 for 30 or 40 minutes, can't remember. I do remember, though, that Liam's mum is the best tasting pie I've ever wrapped my mouth around. Oh, except for Wifey Poo's pie.
If I knew it was going to be that kind of party, I'd stick my dick in the mashed potatoes.
Happy feckin' St. Patrick's Day. Cheers.
Alright, that's it. Get the fuck out of my kitchen.
Toodaloo.
Diddly-dum, diddly-dum, diddly-dum.